Now, for the third time in a row, which could have been prompted as a result of the good news on COVID-19 vaccine, the Nigerian Stock Exchange witnessed a high as investors continue to trade on the positive. Market closed for the day with an increase of 1.90%, that is 33,268 basis points, as against 1.25% recorded yesterday. As a result of the positive trade, market capitalization also closed positive with 324 billion naira at the end of today's trade. 50 equities recorded gains as against 2 losers. Now let's take a look at the market top gainers. Now today market boost came from an increased buying pressure on consumer goods sector, with Nigerian breweries topping the chart of today's gainers with a difference of 5 naira, and was closely followed by Presco, which is of course part of the agricultural sector, which recently received a boost from the Nigerian government with promises of investments with a gain of 4 naira. Now other top gainers were MTN Nigeria and Guinness. Now, MTN Nigeria also made a list with a gain of 3 naira, and Guinness rounded off a list of top 4 gainers with 1 naira gain. Now let's take a look at the 4 top losers, and we begin with Stanbic and CNI Leasing. Now it's interesting to know that the Stanbic IBTC Bank is from the financial sector, was today's top loser, closing with a loss of 2 naira. It's also interesting to note that the services sector witnessed a bad day, as 3 equities, that's CNI Leasing, Red Star Express PLC and Learn Africa, closed with a 2 kobo, 13 kobo and 5 kobo loss respectively. Now let's take a look at the market summary. Now, in summary, today's market witnessed 858 million shares worth 9 billion naira, which exchanged hands in 8,142 deals. Now, let's take a look at the foreign scene, and we begin with the good news. Now, it appears here that Pfizer, a COVID-19 vaccine, has kept investors on their toes, and the technology sector is also rebounding from its recent decline. Now, this has pushed the U.S. stocks to close for the day in greens with an increase of 1.51%. Now, this has affected stocks with both the UK and Asia, that's Dow Jones and Nikkei, now, which ended the day on a bullish note with an increase of 0.22% and 1.78% respectively. And that's all we have for you on the stock market review. Back to you, Oyin, for the rest of the news.
Well, thank you very much, Falashade. It's good to actually see that investors on the Nigerian stock market are on a roll. We hope they continue this bullish run for the next days on the stock market.
Definitely, we'll see what will happen tomorrow.
Great.